Okay, so today we are going to learn about the Employee Center Pro portal. Okay, so what is Employee Center Pro? Employee Center Pro portal is a method for an employee for creating a HR case to the ServiceNow backend. Okay, so for understanding the Employee Center Pro portal, before that I will tell you guys what is a audience, what is a user criteria for a catalog, what is the HR criteria, okay, what is the use of that thing, what is the content. Then we will learn about the structure of the Employee Center Pro portal. Then we will do some hands-on on the Employee Center Pro portal. Okay. So first of all, what is audience? Audience means if in a service portal or in any kind of portal, if you want to show something, okay, or those who are using the portals or those who are seeing the content on the portal, those persons known as the audience. Okay, just like the same in the content publishing application, okay, we have the audience. If I click over here, I can see how many audience are here. We can create the audiences as per our needs. Okay, before jump to the audience, I will first start with the user criteria. User criteria can be used in any of the application, in change, in service catalog, in knowledge, in HR, anything. Okay. So user criteria is the filter which is determined that is that particular catalog or particular application is visible for or to which users. Let's say I am saying I created one catalog item which can be visible only to those employees who are not from the USA. Okay, this is a user criteria. Okay, just like the same in our HRSD also, we have HR criteria. Okay, criteria. This is also the same thing. Once the criteria fulfilled, those users who fulfill the particular criteria for those users, all the things which is matches with the criteria or which is the condition of the criteria that will be visible to the user. If you don't fulfill the criteria, it will be not visible to you. That's the simple thing. Let me quickly create one HR criteria and let me show you guys what is the use of that. Let's say I click on new. I am giving the name of this uh, non-Brazil users. Means in this criteria, I am saying this criteria is for those users. Means if I will do something with this criteria, that will be not visible to the Brazil users. For rest of others, it will be visible. Okay, let me just save it quickly. Now you need to give a condition for this. So I will create a new condition. Okay, non-Brazil user. It will be run on the HR profile table. If you want, you can do that. I will search with the country. Home country is not. I will go come here. I will search with the Brazil. And if I quickly user column, user, let me quickly save it. So you guys can see 32 records matches where home country is not Brazil. Okay. Next, what I will do, I will click over here. See, for this many home country, for this user, Joanna, Pilfar, and those users. Let me just copy this name. Will impersonate the user. Okay, this is the HR condition we have been created, and that is associated with your HR criteria. Now we will create an audience with that criteria. Okay. Why that is needed? As I told, whenever any content is getting pasted and created, we are determining the visibility of the content with the audience. So I'll create a new audience. Click on new, name, non Brazil user. Audience type. Let's say I have been created one HR criteria. Here I will search non Brazil user. Okay. View user, if you do, this many user has been your user, 32 user. Let me quickly save it, or let me update it, submit. Now, what I will do, now I will show you guys that what is the content. Before that, now I can show you guys what is the Employee Center Pro portal, okay, and what is the use of that. So, one second, guys. The laptop charge is going to end. Okay, so now here, the if I search with the portals, so this is my Employee Center portal, okay. This is my Employee Center portal, and the suffix is this ESC. Okay. If I click on the try it, so this is the Employee Center Pro portal. Now let's say here in this video things, I want to publish something new video. What needs to be visible to needs to be visible for those users who are not from the Brazil. Okay. So how I can create that content? So for that thing, I'll be click on the content. Okay. We have the content publishing, content categories, and this stuff. Okay. So what we will do in the content publishing, we have view all how many contents we have, this many contents we have. I'll click in new content. Okay. Into it. Let's say in the portal, I want to put a video, and I click on continue. I will be giving a name of that HR test video. Choose a video URL. So I have been added in the company video with this video. Okay. 13 laws of every HR should know about. So now I save it. Save and continue. See, the same thing is coming over. Add a published plan. If you want to add a published plan, location, schedule name. Let's say I'm giving test HR. Okay. Now where you need to show this thing in the service portal page. As I told, I want to show this to this page. So I will open again the Employee Center Pro portal, and that is the home page is this EC underscore pro underscore dashboard. So I will be give this page name over here. Okay. Widget, the video widget I want. Now audience. Audience means just now we have been create one audience with the HR criteria. So I will search with the non-Brazil user. Always active. I have been given. I click on the save publish plan. Okay. Now I'll come to my Employee Center Pro portal. I will reload it, and Design, publish, everything is fine. Now I will search with the where it is, view all. Where is that thing? Just now I've been created one, right? With the test. So I will search with the test where it is. HR test. Content library. So content categories, reusable, schedule content. Okay. Schedule content, content templates, user demo portal content taxonomy. Where it is content categories. Already we have been given the portal. Under that, under the content category, now I will search the video. Okay, here it is, HR rules. Company video, schedule content. Again, I will go back from here. Show me the video, show matching. How many is there? Video, HR test is here. Non-Brazil user update. So it should come over here in Play Center Pro Portal. Oh, it's not coming. Here is the video widget,
As the world of work has evolved in
but I don't know. Okay,
hosting our AI website.
no need. But it should come over here directly. Which video I have been added over there? My application favorites. I think the schedule still did not updated the things. Once the schedule updated, that will come over there surely. Okay. Content title, schedule content. I will click on that thing of a non-Brazil user. Oh, sorry. I will check with this user, Amos Linan. I will impersonate that user and I will check this. Okay, let's check it. Yeah, so you guys can see for this user, that video is coming in the video widget. So that is how we can configure. Okay, and as I told, we will learn in the next video that how we can create a case from this Employee Center Pro portal. Okay, so that's all for this video.